Thank you, ma'am,
System.
for giving me the opportunity. Uh, I am Mr. Aman Verma, a Ph.D. scholar from Acharya Narendra University of Agriculture and Technology, Ayodhya. I will stand before you to unveil the multifaceted benefits of drone spraying in agriculture, empowering farmers to optimize crop yields, enhance sustainability, and elevate agriculture practices to new heights. Firstly, we can see the what is drone and some introduction about the drone, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, are revolutionizing the agricultural industry by providing farmers with a powerful tool for precision farming. And what is precision farming? Precision farming is a method of agriculture that uses technology to collect and analyze data about crops and yields to optimize resource use and maximum yield. uh, some people have many people have some questions about what do agriculture drones do. Agriculture drones do land imaging, surveying topography and boundaries, soil monitoring, livestock movement and counting, irrigation monitoring, spraying needs, collecting soil and water samples, troubleshooting. Here we have I have compiled some types of drones which is used in agriculture. uh, Number eight, harvesting drones. Harvesting drones means drones we are who are helped us in harvesting the products. Flying drones or fruit harvesting drones are able to pick over 90% of all fruit from trees. This enables the growers to increase tree heights or further production and thus generate additional yield. Besides, harvesting drones are able to differentiate between ripened and unripened fruits and accordingly harvest the produce with higher precision and minimal wastage. That's important for us. Mapping drones. Drones are effects with image sensing softwares which are used for generating maps for various purposes. Yield mapping, land mapping, soil nutrient mentioning. This helps to monitor crop and soil conditions and plan management practices for better productivity. Spraying drones. Spraying drones can be used to spray chemicals like fertilizer, pesticide, etc. based on the spatial variability of the crops and fields. This is not only ensures better fertilizer or any such chemical use efficiency, but also curtails water use by almost 95%. They also reduce health hazards caused to farmers due to manual chemical spraying. Sensing drones. Drones are equipped with advanced sensors such as RGB and multi-spectral sensors to procure precise data for weed management, disease detection, irrigation management, and yield prediction. Here we have compiled the two photos. Number eight, DPSS, drone precision spraying system versus traditional system. And this is the photo of future of farming by precision farming, or we can say by drone agriculture. Yeah, what is drone precision farming system? We have already mentioned it. Test effective picture of spraying. Comparison of drone sprayer. By drone sprayer, we can cover 20 to 25 hectares per day. By knapsack sprayer is operated by manpower, by which we can cover 0.8 to 1.3 hectares per day only. Tractor sprayer 6.7 to 20 hectares per day, and elevated spraying vehicle 66.7 to 80 hectares per day. Elevated spraying vehicles is mostly used in the gardens for uh, 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 spraying on tall plants. Advantage of drone power. Number eight, pesticide utilization efficiency. Drone has 85% utilization efficiency. Knapsack, tractor, and elevated spraying vehicle only have 30%. Means 70% of the pesticides have not been used and wasted. Adaptability. Drone has been can be adopted at mountain, hilly terrain, and paddy field. Knapsack sprayer only for crop, flower, and fruit are easily damaged, tempered, or dropped by human. Tractor sprayer can't work in mountain or hilly terrain and also cannot work in the crops as like paddy, maize, and medicinal crop, vegetable crops, so all types of crops in which the distance is very low. Elevated spraying vehicle can't work in mountain or hilly terrain and also can't work in uh, uh, farm farming areas as like paddy field, wheat field, right? It is a maize field. Water consumption per hectare. Spraying uniformly with low dilution rate and high concentrated liquid pesticide. The water can be used up to 90%. Traditional knapsack sprayer, traditional immersion jet spraying, resulting in waste of water and most of the pesticides lost into the soil along with water. Tractor sprayer, traditional immersion jet spraying, resulting in waste of water and most of the pesticides lost into the soil along with water. Elevated spraying vehicle, traditional immersion jet spraying, resulting in waste of water and most of the pesticides lost into the soil along with water. Safety, away from field during spraying to avoid the pesticide poisoning. Pesticide enter human body by mouth easily lead to pesticide poisoning. Tractor sprayer applying pesticide from close range easily lead to pesticide poisoning. Elevated spraying vehicle applying pesticide from close range easily lead to pesticide poisoning. So we can compare all 4 points between drone and other traditional sprayers. We can say drone sprayer is the best for farming purpose, and we can adopt this. Many people has like questions. Its control is easy or very tough. Any special type of training? Any need of a special type of training? No, it is easily controllable. It is intelligent flight with autopilot where I can see adaptability. Many people have like their type of question. We can adopt easily in mountain area, hilly terrain area, across worldwide country, and on the plain land, we can easily use foldable. How many people have like questions? That's very big, and how can we transport from one place to another place? It's a foldable frame, easy to transport. Even you can transport that on your motorcycle or bike, and uh, on two to maximum minimum two people is required for its from transportation from one place to another place. Durability, mature flight controller for agriculture UAV. Maintenance, modularization design, easily assembly. Warranty, complete warranty policy. Functions of drone spring system. Functions, foldable frame, easy to transport, intelligent flight with autopilot, intelligent flight, memory, record breakpoint, adjustable spray flow rate, adjustable altitude and fly speed, fail safe, auto fly when out of control, low voltage warning and auto return to base, empty tank warning and auto return to base, terrain following with MMW radar, digital fence, software and obstacle, multi-way charge. Uh, pers- uh, Perspective challenge with drone sprayers and the way forward. Some farmers have faced challenges between drone sprayers versus other traditional sprayers. So we have compiled some types of questions which can which of which answer is required to adopting the drone spraying. Yes. Comparison of manual versus drone spraying. Manual spraying cost around 350 to 400 per hectare and covers approximately 2 acres per day, while drone spraying cost around INR 700 rupees per hectare but offers significant time saving. Farmers may be willing to adopt drone spraying if cost decrease. Potential benefit of drone spraying: increased crop choice and intensity due to convenience, reduced labor cost, and exposure to chemicals. Concerns regarding drone spraying: low volume spray may lead to more concentrated chemicals. Safety of concentrated chemicals needs to be addressed. Government also have provided some facilities for the farmers so that can easily adopt the drone spraying, drone farming, because it is very costly for uh, any farmers who can adopt this. Subsidies for farmers, 50% subsidy are maximum 0.5 million for SC/ST category, a small and marginal farmer, women farmers of northeastern state. 40% subsidy for maximum INR 0.4 million for other farmers. Subsidies for agri training and research institutes. 100% subsidy for farm machinery training and testing institutions of Indian Council of Agriculture Research (ICAR), Krishi Vigyan Kendra (KVK), and State Agriculture University (SAU). 75% subsidy for farmers producer organization. Even my university, Acharya Narendra Agriculture University of Technology and Agriculture and Technology, has used the drone, and it has 2 to 3 drones for spraying the pesticide, insecticide, etc. Subsidy, subsidies for custom hiring centers. 40% subsidy are maximum INR 0.4 million for existing and new CHCs. 50% subsidy for agriculture graduates establishing custom hiring centers. Subsidies for implementing agencies. Subsidies per hectare for hiring drones for demonstrations. Benefits for drone subsidies reduce the cost of drones for farmers and other stakeholders, promotes the use of drones in agriculture, helps to improve agriculture productivity and stability. Here we have compiled some 10 key points of drone sprayers in agriculture. Number 1, precision application. Drones equipped with GPS and flow control technology can apply pesticides and fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing wastage and maximizing efficiency. Enhanced efficiency, drones can cover vast areas in a fraction of the time it takes for conventional ground-based or aircraft-based spraying methods, significantly improving operational efficiency. Number 3, reduced environmental impact by precisely targeting specific areas. Drone spraying minimizes the risk of chemical runoff and drift, protecting wildlife and ecosystems while promoting sustainable agriculture practices. Accessibility and maneuverability. Drones can navigate difficult terrains and reach inaccessible areas, ensuring effective crop protection even in challenging environments. Reduced labor cost and exposure. Today, labor cost is very much high, and find the labor is very critical. So we can adopt the technology. By adopting the technology, we can uh, easily reduce the labor cost and exposure. Drone spraying automation reduces the reliance on manual labor, minimizing labor costs and exposure to potentially hazardous agrochemicals. Number 6, data-driven insights. Drone equipped with advanced sensors can collect real-time crop health data, enabling farmers to make informed decisions for optimal crop management, improved crop yield and quality. By optimizing resources utilization and minimizing wastage, drone spraying can lead to significant increase in crop yields and improved crop variety quality, reduced pesticide and fertilizer usage. With drone spraying, farmers can apply the precise amount of pesticides and fertilizers needed, reducing overall usage and cost. Increased farmer safety. Drone spraying eliminates the need for farmers to manually spray chemicals, reducing the risk of exposure to hazardous agrochemicals. Sustainable agriculture. By reducing environmental impact, minimizing labor exposure to chemicals, and promoting precision agriculture, drone spraying contributes to sustainable agricultural practice. Here we have a last slide of future potential. What is future potential? The future of agriculture is undoubtedly intertwined with the advancement of drone technology. As these aerial vehicles continue to evolve and become more accessible, they hold the potential to revolutionize the way we grow food, enhancing efficiency, precision, and sustainability. From crop monitoring and precision spraying to irrigation, optimization, and livestock management, agriculture drones are poised to transform the agricultural landscape, leading to a more productive, sustainable, and resilient food production system. Thank you, ma'am, for giving the opportunity.
Thank you very much, Mr. Aman, for your presentation. I will take up the questions from the participants now. In the meantime, can you please stop sharing the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Just one
so
minute.
that we can see your full video. Yeah. You can on your video now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll take up the questions now.
Yes, ma'am.
The first question is, how can drone sprayers save farmers time and effort in comparison with traditional spraying methods?
Ma'am, we have mentioned this. That's the answer in my slide that 18 to 20 acres is covered. Is 18 to 20 acres area is covered by only a single man by drone sprayers, and a man who is used by knapsack sprayers only covers 0.7 to 1.2 hectare area in one day. It's matlab, it's 18 to 20 manpower, less manpowers from by the drone sprayers comparing to drone sprayers.
Okay. What specific cost advantages do drone sprayers offer for small and medium-sized farmers?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the question?
I'll repeat it. What specific cost advantages do drone sprayers offer for small to medium-sized farms?
Yes, ma'am. Drones have also the variability according to the size of drones. It costs matlab, it is a 3 to 4 lakhs for a farmer's for drone. Matlab, is best 3 to 4 5 3 to 4 lakhs for a drone is best for the small and medium farmers who can adopt the drone technology. Medium size of drone is best for this.
Okay. Can you provide examples of increased crop yields or quality resulting from drone spraying applications?
Yes, ma'am. By traditional method of spraying, we can we take more time and can accessible time and actual time spraying is less than, and by drone spraying we can similar spraying in all over areas, not more than and not less than in any areas, and now and by drone sprays we can't damage the crop, and by man by man mostly crops had damaged as like in wheat a man is growing through by in the field and he had damaged more crop, so drone spraying is beneficial for us.
Okay. How user-friendly are drone sprayers and what kind of training is typically required for farmers?
For farmers, ma'am, for farmers for operating the drone a training has required, and some trainings are operated by time to time. Even if I can say in UP, CSE University, Chandrasekhar Azad University of Agriculture and Technology has started the training from tomorrow for 21 days, and it has provided residential and as well as fooding and traveling cost for 21 days. And before it's CSJM University and a society, I don't have recalled the name, with the with CSE University has uh, provided a training for drone technology, and some other states are also had uh, provided the trainings time to time, so farmers can take the training, and also farmers can go to the KVK SAUs which is nearby with him, take the training from there and use the drone technology. Even my university has the drone, 2 to 3 drones, and has provided the training to farmers who has belong to nearby the university campus, has came to the to take the training to my university, and my university has provided the training.
Okay.
It's operated had some critical because some people have not matlab farmers community is not literate as well as, so it's slightly compatible.
Okay. I'll move on to the next question. Are there any notable safety benefits associated with using drone sprayers in agriculture?
Ji ma'am.
Are there any notable safety benefits associated with using drone sprayers in agriculture?
Safety measure. Yes, ma'am. We can take the note it the some points for when we are going to use the drone technology, as uh, we have keep maintain some distance, as some people have had some cut on the fingers and some minor injury by drones, who has not well operated, who has not well operated to drones. Ba- no, baki.
Okay. And move on to the next question, sir. Can you highlight instances where drone sprayers have proven effective in pest or disease management?
Effective and yes, ma'am. Till now, no any robots or drones have developed for diagnosing the disease, or in, for diagnosing the disease and yes, for diagnosing the disease, as many research institute has yeah, in its final phases for developing the robotics for as mm, IIT Kanpur, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur has developed a robot plant disease detector. Had is the name, who has can detect the disease from the field and cure this. So that type of drone has been developed till now.
Okay. What type of pesticides or fertilizers can be effectively applied using drone technology?
All types of fertilizers and pesticides can apply by drone technology. Even if we want to apply the urea to our DAP through the drone technology, we can use nano DAP. uh, Through drone technology we can spraying the by making the by making the solution, we can apply the that applied the spraying in every fields by drone technology.
Okay. How do drone sprayers adapt to varying field terrains and shapes?
Yes, ma'am. uh, it is critical for by uh, it is critical, drones technology have made is easier to spraying in the terrain fields, because it because manpower has less there, and has some faces some critical issues by the upon the hilly areas, and by drone technology we can uh, easily operate the drone spraying pesticide spraying, and even disease detector can be used in hilly areas easily.
Okay. Are there government incentives or support programs for farmers looking to adopt drone spraying technologies?
Yes, ma'am. Many all states have providing that, but Indian Council of Agriculture, as well as 1 minute, ma'am. I have mentioned it also my PPT.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
many
Can you
times.
please repeat it?
Subsidies for farmers. Just 50% subsidies for our maximum INR 0.5 million, or we can say 50,000 rupees for SC/ST caste, small and marginal women and farmers for northeastern states, while other farmers can avail the 4 million rupees or 40% subsidies maximum, or by research and for farmers that that's only the scheme, and some other schemes for research institute, CHC, and implementing agencies. Farmers can avail that by going nearby your block or Kishan Krishi Vigyan Kendra, or can avail the technologies by uh, government website, as time to time government has provided the subsidy, and disclose his browser for providing the subsidy.
Okay, I'll take up the next question. In terms of maintenance, what are the key considerations for keeping drone sprayers operational and efficient?
Key points can.
In terms of
Ma'am,
maintenance, what are the key considerations for keeping the drone sprayers operational and efficient?
Yes, ma'am. When you have used it's have foldable frame. So while you have complete the spraying or your work, also easily you can fold that, and by um, and clear that is by water, so that tank empty tank earning, and time to time it's charging them. It's mandatory for charge there, and it's also has low voltage warning. So when it's given the warning to you, you can plug in the charger. So it's also has a beneficial for you.
Okay. Can you share success stories or case studies of farmers who are experienced positive outcomes with drone sprayers?
Ma'am, sorry, but I can.
Okay, I'll move on to the next question. What ongoing advancement in drone technology should farmers anticipate in the near future for agriculture applications?
Yes, ma'am. As well as in near future applications, many types of drones has been developed, as I have mentioned, plant disease detector and curator. Also had curator means it is going to the fields and diagnose the disease and send the data through a app. Its name is Kripan, to the farmers, and so and he has reached returning back, and you kept and suggested you which insecticide or pesticide they had needed, and you can applying that, so that it's worked as a curator as well as curator. It's improved crop coverage area also. The elevated sprayer can be adjusted to match the height of the crop canopy, so that the chemicals are applied evenly to all parts of the plant, or reduced risk of crop damage. By using the drone technology, the reduce um, crop crop risks can be reduced. Ability to spend wet conditions. Elevated sprayer can be used in areas where there is standing water, but drone technology can be raised above the water level. In hilly areas also has whereas flood has came or something type, it's be beneficial for improve the productivity, and yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. We have now completed the round of questions. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, I'd like to thank Mr. Aman Verma for the talk and for answering the questions. I'd like to also thank all the participants in the meeting. This meeting will now be closed.
Thank you, ma'am, for
You're most
giving the
welcome. You're most welcome.